This is assignment 4.8. I'm using two DC motors controlled by the joystick. I define my x-axis on my left of the joystick, and my y-axis will be up in the vertical direction. This is the battery, 9.6 volts. This is the switch. The switch is on because it's connected to the battery. This is my setup. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how that works. I'm gonna rotate counterclockwise, which is I define my x-axis. See, everything is working as I push to the left. You can also do clockwise. There you go. Now the joystick is pushing up. The two DC motor are rotating clockwise. So this is a demonstration how we can control the two DC motors using a joystick, a battery, and an H bridge. Thank you.